Hello YouTube, welcome to another edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. If you are new, welcome. I'm so happy to have you here today. If you like what you see, hit that subscription button along with the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I put new videos out. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. I'm always happy to have you here. So today's video is the open collaboration with Rosemary over at URockart. It is the Color and Create with Us at URockart, and it's the open coloring collaboration. So we just started out of this book last week, which I was too sick last week to do a video for last week's coloring page. I pretty much mostly just slept all week. I am feeling better now. So last week's page was this pretty little fairy. I did not do her justice. I had trouble with the skin tone. I've always had trouble with skin tones, so I finally got the face the way I wanted it. So I decided for her arms didn't turn out right for me, so so I decided for her legs to give her a pair of white tights under her dress. So that turned out really well when I did that. But other than that, she turned out really pretty. I had already decided to give her purple wings and a pink dress, so I think that turned out well. And I wasn't sure what kind of flowers these were, so I just colored those. So that was the page from last week. And let me find the page that we just completed. Must be back this other way. Yep, here it is. I named this one Cosmic Pineapple Drink for some reason. So there was a lot going on here. I wasn't sure what these circle things were at first. They reminded me of peanut butter Buckeyes, except with mint leaves stuck in them, but that didn't really go together very well. So then I finally realized chocolate covered cherries, so with the mint leaves, which actually do work well together. So that's what I did with the rest of them. I turned those into chocolate covered cherries. For the ice cream, I decided to put chocolate chip cookie ice cream sandwiches on top of my drink, along with mint chocolate chip ice cream. So there was just a lot going on with this drink. I put a watermelon up here and an orange slice for a garnish. The cup actually reminded me of a pineapple pattern, so I colored it the color of a pineapple. So yeah, this one was so much fun to color. There was so much going on. The circle things on the side, I really wasn't sure what to do with, so finally I just colored those like sweet tarts. It's like someone was sprinkling sweet tarts on top of their drink. So this was our coloring page for this last week. And now our next page, this is going to be a lot of fun. We've been finally getting some much needed rain here in Central Florida. It has been so dry here. It's been horrible. So I am so excited. This last week we've had rain just about every day, so it's quite fitting that this is our next picture to color. So I think this is going to be really super cute. I'm not sure what color I'm gonna color my bear yet. We'll have to think on that. But so yep, this is an open coloring collaboration. If you want to join, you can just put color and create with us at Rosemary's You Rock Art as a hashtag, and she will add you to the group. And you can go to her website and see what all the other ladies have been, how they've been coloring their pictures. It's the same picture, but for some reason they all turn out different, and it's great to see what we're all doing. And now on to the creative part of the collaboration. All right, you all know I really love doing diamond painting, so this is the picture that I have been working on for the last week. You can see I'm now almost halfway through with it, so let me bring you guys up a little bit. You can see the colors in this one are absolutely stunning. I love the sparkle in these beads. So yeah, this is going to be absolutely gorgeous when it's finished. And all of the paintings as I finish them get sealed with Mod Podge and are for sale. So if you're interested in purchasing any, just shoot me an email and we'll talk about it. All right, here we go. Hopefully I do this without any mistakes. And we already started that out with the mistake, so here we go again. All right, here we go. Take 2. Hopefully, second time's the charm. All right. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed hearing that. The song is In the Mood, and I am using this very, very old book that you can see is in two parts. It's very well used. It's Dance Band Greats. And this is actually an organ book that belonged to my mom, and it's just um, melody and chords written on it. And the names of the notes are actually written on the note, which I don't really need anymore. But for someone just starting out, that is a great thing to have. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. It's been a long, long time since I played anything. In fact, let me show you one of my instruments here, if I can get it out of the case. I'm not ready to record on this one just yet, but maybe before too long I'll be able to play something on it for you. So this is, oops, caught it. There we go. All right, this is a bowed Sultry, and it comes, of course, with a bow and rosin. I actually got a special rosin from Australia that has gold flecks in it. So this is one of the oldest instruments mentioned in the Bible when it talks about playing the psaltery and the harp. They're talking about this thing. So this is very easy to play. Let me turn it around here. If you think of this like a piano, down here is the white keys. So C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and then up here, this row is all your sharp and flat keys. And basically, you just pull the bow across the string. Let me see if I can do a little something here. It's a slightly out of tune, so I do have to work on tuning it. So yeah, anytime the Bible talks about playing the psaltery or the harp, this is what they were playing. So yeah, sorry for the mistakes in there, and I know, like I said, I know this is out of tune. I haven't played it in a very long time, but I will get it tuned and work on this, and I can actually record songs on my keyboard and play this along with it, so that will be a lot of fun. So that concludes this edition of Lori's Thrifty Kitchen Pantry. I hope you enjoyed this episode today, and I hope to see you all on the live show tomorrow night. I may try to play some more. I'm actually getting a new keyboard delivered today. I probably shouldn't have gotten one, but it's been so long since I bought a new keyboard, and I just love them. I love poking buttons to see what all they can do and learning new rhythms and how to use new instruments on them. and I was able to get it on a payment system, so I won't have to pay that much at a time. So I'm just really excited for that. So I may show that to you guys tomorrow night. So stay tuned. In the meantime, I hope you guys have something fun planned for the 4th of July. I'm actually going out tomorrow to my church's prayer group meeting. I haven't been in over a year or so, and I haven't been anywhere in the last month, so I'm getting very claustrophobic. I am so super excited about getting out. I can't even begin to tell you how excited I am to be getting out. So I'm really looking forward to that. My park is having a dinner on the 4th of July. If it's not raining, I can walk down to the clubhouse and enjoy. So yeah, that's what I got planned. Let me know in the comments what you all are doing for the 4th of July. And in the meantime, be safe, be happy, be blessed, and I will see you all on the next video. Bye.